Well, good morning students. In this video, what we will discuss, that is for the student of standard 9 as well as for the student of standard 10. This topic we will have to learn in the standard 9 and in the standard 10. Means the topic, the topic we will discuss today belongs to standard 9 as well as standard 10. Same topic. Today we will discuss to test whether a given rational number is a terminating decimal or non-terminating repeating decimal. As we were discussing regarding the decimal expansion of a number, on that moment we had seen whenever we will find the decimal expansion of a number, on that moment there are two types of decimal expansion. One is terminating decimal, another is non-terminating decimal. What is terminating decimal? If the decimal expansion of a number will stop after 1, 2, 3 or more digits, is known as terminating. And if the decimal expansion will not stop 1, 2, 3 or more digits, is known as non-terminating. Also we had seen in our previous videos regarding decimal expansion, regarding non-terminating decimal expansion, having two cases: non-terminating repeating decimal and non-terminating non-repeating decimal. Actually, what we had seen in our previous classes regarding decimal expansion, and there we had seen a rational having either terminating decimal or non-terminating repeating decimal. रैशनल के पास या तो टर्मिनेटिंग होगा या तो नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग का रिपीटिंग होगा. Similarly, a rational and irrational having non-terminating non-repeating decimal. Here we will see which rational having terminating and which rational having non-terminating non-terminating repeating. In our previous video for standard 9, we had seen the same topic to test whether a rational having terminating decimal or non-terminating repeating decimal by using actual division method. आप इसको by using actual division method से भी check कर सकते हो. But here we will check the same thing by using not actual division. हम लोग यहाँ divide नहीं करेंगे. Without actual division, we will check the decimal expansion of a rational is either terminating or non-terminating repeating. Okay. So for showing this, how to check without actual division? चलो हम लोग लिए let x is a rational number, and you know what? A number which is written in the form of p by q, that is rational. Actually here we have taken x is a rational which is in the form p by q, whose simplest form is p by q. As we have taken x is a rational number and the simplest form of x is p by q. Also you have been taught regarding rational, a number which is written in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers. Also q must not be equal to 0. Similarly, the simplest form must be in the form p by q, and simplest form having p and q are integers where q must not be equal to 0. Same thing I have written over here. X is a rational number, हम लोग ऐसा assume किए. X is a rational number where simplest form is p by q, p and q are integers and q is not equal to 0. Okay, on that moment there are two cases. Case 1, for showing the rational is terminating decimal, and case 2 for showing the rational is a non-terminating repeating decimal. At first we will discuss on case 1. Case 1, x is a terminating decimal only. x जो है terminating decimal होगा कब? When q is जो q means what? The denominator of the rational. q means the denominator. Q means what? The denominator. X is a terminating decimal only. Q is means the denominator is either of the form 2 to the power m or 5 to the power n or 2 to the power n into 5 to the power n. मतलब जब सबसे पहले कोई भी रेशनल आपको गिवन है and you have to check whether the rational having terminating or non-terminating, on that moment at first you will have to write the simplest form of the rational. तो वही बोला कि x एक rational है और उसका simplest form क्या है? p by q. Second step, now we will go through the prime factorization of q. Now we will go through the prime factorization of the denominator and we will see the denominator is of the form only 2 to the power m, 5 to the power n और these two. या तो ये हो या तो ये हो या तो ये दोनों हो. इसके अलावा कुछ नहीं होना चाहिए. इसके अलावा अगर कोई और फैक्टर मिलता है except 1, इसके अलावा कोई और फैक्टर अगर मिलता है on that moment the decimal expansion will be non-terminating. और अगर यही सिर्फ मिलता है the decimal expansion will be terminating. Go through an example. So that 24 by 100 is terminating decimal. ये terminating है या non-terminating? तो here as we have seen HCF of 24. At first we have taken an example. We have taken an example 24 by 100. So at first we will write the simplest form of the number. How to write the simplest form? So at first we will find the HCF of the numerator and denominator. If the HCF is 1, the number is in simplest form already. And if the HCF is other than 1, the number will be divided by the HCF. The HCF of 24 and 100 is 4 as we have got. Actually this is other than 4. Also you have been taught a property of rational. As our requirement, we can multiply or divide by the same number to the each part of the rational. तो actually HCF 4 मिला, other than 1 है, तो आप 4 से ऊपर नीचे divide कर दो, you will get 6 by 25. Now we will go through the prime factorization of the denominator of q. So here q is 25 and the prime factorization of 25 is what? 5 into 5. 5 into 5 means 5 square. Actually you can see 25 is of the form 5 to the power n. या तो ये हो या तो ये हो या तो ये हो. Then hence this is a terminating decimal. Understood? Similarly go for case 2. Case 2. What is case 2? X is a non-terminating repeating decimal. X is a non-terminating repeating decimal if q is not equal to 2 to the power m or 5 to the power n or 2 to the power m into 5 to the power n. डिनोमिनेटर जो है इस फॉर्म में नहीं हो, ऑन दैट मोमेंट द डेसिमल एक्सपांशन इज नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग repeating. Just prove it, just show it by using an example. Right now here, as we have taken 66 by 180, HCF of 66 by 180, you know, 6. Simplest form, 11 by 30. Prime factorization of 30, as you can see, 2 into 3 into 5. Actually, the denominator is of the form 2 to the power m, 5 to the power m, but not only. Actually, it should not be other than, denominator should not be other than this one, this one, this one. Denominator इसके अलावा कुछ और नहीं होना चाहिए. But here, as you can see, denominator is of the form, not only is of the form this one or this one. Actually, denominator having 3 also. Hence, the decimal expansion will be non-terminating. Understood? The same topic we have to learn in standard 9 as well as standard 10. Okay? Now you can do the questions related to this topic. Okay? The rest all part we will discuss in the next video. Actually, this is a common class for both the classes. That's why rest all discussion will be in the next video. Thank you.